Tardigrades, often called water bears, are tiny creatures no larger than a grain of sand, yet they have captured the imagination of scientists around the world. These unassuming micro-animals look like something out of a science fiction novel, with their segmented bodies and clawed feet. But their extraordinary resilience is what truly sets them apart. They have survived the unthinkable. Temperatures exceeding 300 degrees Fahrenheit, the vacuum of outer space, lethal doses of radiation, and even the crushing pressures of the deep ocean. It's not an exaggeration to say that tardigrades are virtually indestructible. But what makes these creatures so fascinating isn't just what they can survive, it's the potential they hold for revolutionizing science, medicine, and even humanity's future among the stars. At the heart of their incredible resilience lies their DNA. Tardigrades possess specialized proteins that act like shields, repairing damage caused by radiation and other extreme stresses. These proteins, called DSUP, short for damage suppressor, protect the tardigrade's genetic material, allowing it to bounce back from conditions that would obliterate most life forms. Scientists are now racing to understand whether this molecular magic could be harnessed for human benefit. Imagine a future where these proteins could be used to protect astronauts from the harmful effects of cosmic radiation during long space missions, or even to repair cellular damage in cancer patients back on Earth. This tantalizing prospect has caught the attention of NASA and other researchers exploring the boundaries of life in the cosmos. Tardigrades have already been sent into space, where they survive the vacuum, freezing temperatures, and intense radiation of the vast void. By studying how these creatures thrive under such extreme conditions, scientists hope to unlock clues about how life might endure on Mars or other planets. Could humans colonize the red planet, shielded by genetic innovations inspired by tardigrades? Could these tiny creatures hold the key to surviving deep space travel, where traditional biological systems falter? Tardigrades might be the blueprint for carrying life beyond Earth's fragile atmosphere. Back on Earth, the implications are equally groundbreaking. The same proteins that enabled tardigrades to withstand radiation could potentially be used to revolutionize medicine. Cellular damage caused by radiation is a key factor in aging and cancer. But what if we could use tardigrade-inspired proteins to repair our DNA? Such technologies could extend human lifespans, prevent degenerative diseases, and even make us more resilient to environmental stresses. It's a vision that feels like science fiction, yet it's becoming increasingly plausible as researchers decode the tardigrade genome and experiment with transferring its mechanisms to other organisms. Tardigrades, in their quiet simplicity, may hold the answers to some of humanity's biggest challenges. They are not just survivors, they are pioneers, unlocking the secrets of life at its most resilient. From space exploration to cancer treatment, these microscopic marvels are reshaping our understanding of what is possible.